As of this recording, the best AI model out there is currently Claude Opus 4.6. And they've just added a feature that allows you to add Claude to Excel and PowerPoint. To find that out, you're going to have to go to a paid account, at least the Pro plan, which is about $20 a month. You're going to click on right here, Get Apps and Extensions, and you'll see this new option for Microsoft Office installed for Excel and PowerPoint. And you'll just click on Install, and you'll see the new option, Claude, right here. So just like you have the Copilot feature, you can actually now add Claude. You will need to log into your account. It will use the tokens from your paid account, your Pro plan, or the higher account if you want to go that route. And then you get all the features, and there are some fantastic features of Claude in Excel. For example, they have new skills. So you can actually just type in /DCF model, for example, and it will create a DCF model for any company you'd like. So it's very, very slick. You want to definitely check this out. Highly recommend it. And Claude is definitely worth the $20 you'll pay for it. It's very, very good.